Today we're going to be looking at my trauma kit that I got off Amazon 3 years ago for my birthday. It was around $80. I have the link in the description. That's the one I think I got. I have added a lot of things throughout the years, and I've used it many times. So I'm going to do an overview of all the stuff I have in it. I have extra stuff in a little compartment. Right here just keeps an extra stethoscope, some extra gauze, band-aids, extra glucose. I am getting a new trauma kit, first responder bag soon. It's from gearbags.com, Lightning X product. It's the oxygen one. It has a little slit for an oxygen. It's in red instead of orange because I'm kind of sick of orange. And it has zippers. And so in here, starting off, I have my OPAs. Never had to use them. Just good. I bought them extra. They didn't come with the kit. They're only like $6 or whatever, if I remember. Just good to have. And right here is going to be all my pads, like wipes. I have hand wipes, antibiotic cream, some BZK for wound, burn gel, only 3 left, ammonia towelettes, never had to use them, iodine pads, good if I'm going to like pick a splinter out, sting relief, surprisingly never had to use it. So alcohol prep pads. I have more alcohol prep pads that it's in here. Looks my meds. I have my tourniquet right here, just for bleeding, for the limbs. There's a splint and a wrap. I used to keep these on the pouch, but now I just keep my BP cuff and my stethoscope there. I used to keep it right here. I have eye wash. Came with this. Is what it came with. That. I'll tell you what I got added on. I added on a splint, some roll. The eye wash came with it. Added on tourniquet. Anything in here came with it. I added it on glucose tablets. It came with glucose gel, but I used it on a diabetic person who was passed out, and we put this in their mouth, and they woke up basically almost immediately. And for the meantime, I just carried glucose tablets until I just later bought 6 of these. And there's an extra one in here, and then I have extras. Hydrogen peroxide. I know a lot of people don't really recommend hydrogen peroxide. I keep it because it cleans wounds. I personally use hydrogen peroxide on my wound, but I know sometimes it does burn, but that's just me, so it's a preference. Hand sanitizer, of course, added that on. Added hydrogen peroxide on, of course. This came with some more self-adhering bandages. So it came with CPR mask. I have a pulse oximeter. Right now these are in high demand, and I bought this a couple months ago, like 6 months ago. This is for the BP cuff. I don't know why it's bottom. For medications, I actually bought this for just today. I got it in for my new pack that's coming in. I think it's coming in tomorrow, and I'll for sure do a video on it. But it's way bigger, but and it has little compartments. But I bought this for meds because I'm getting more meds in. So far as for medications, I have aspirin. These aren't the chewable ones, just regular aspirin. The chewable aspirins because if somebody's having a heart attack, you want to give them chewable aspirin. I have Advil. I'm getting Tylenol soon because I ran out. And I just have Tums just in case, I don't know. And then these are just extra alcohol prep pads. I don't know why I still have this in here. This is what I have in the front pouches. I have some antibiotic cream, regular, and then this is pain relieving. I added these on. Bandages, I think this came with it. Pen, I just added on. Pen light came with it. Splinter out, it came with it. It's alright. Sweater blanket, it's good for someone needs to get warmed up. More glucose gel. Okay, I forgot to mention that I do have shears right here. And then this section is just mainly for bleeding and has band-aids in it too. Gauze pads, they're organized in sides, iPad, then some tape in it. All just filled with gauzes. I have band-aids in here. I have multi-trauma dressing. I have tons of gauze rolls. I come in different sizes. I added some of these on. So I added some of the gauze pads on, and that came with it. Band-aids, some more band-aids. I think these came with it. I added on tape, and then triangle bandage came with it. All right, on my left side of the bag, I keep my BP cuff in my stethoscope. I have a newer, better stethoscope in here, but it's better quality. My right side, I just keep gloves in here. That's where I keep gloves, so it's easy. Before I even enter the bag, I just grab the gloves and just throw them on. Quick and simple. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below. And I'll be releasing my other newer trauma bag very soon.